Hello friends, today's topic for wealth creation and profits, only large cap stocks are good enough. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society. Large number of investors, especially new investors, are made to believe that you need to take higher risk to earn good returns from stock markets. So they select small cap stocks, end up taking too much risk, which is more than their risk appetite. However, in order to earn good returns, it is enough to even invest in large cap stocks for long term. On a general basis, the risk involved in investing in large cap stocks is much lower, but it provides more stability without sacrificing much return. Since they are less volatile, it's easier to continue to hold large caps even when stock markets are volatile or falling. The Sensex touched the 60,000 mark in September 2021. Yesterday, on 11 December 2023, it touched the 70,000 mark for the first time. Following are the stocks which contributed maximum points for the Sensex and also stocks which dragged the Sensex down because of their weak performance. 10,000 point Sensex journey from 60,000 to 70,000. Top contributor number one ICICI Bank, contribution in Sensex points 1920. 2 ITC 1890. 3 LNT 1770. 4 MNM 778. 5 Axis Bank 747. Now, top stocks, we drag the Sensex down. Infosys 536 points is the drag point. Wipro 316, Kotak Mahindra Bank 219, HUL 152, Bajaj Finance 133. The stocks which contributed the most in terms of points is not because they appreciated the most, but because they have higher weightage in the Sensex. Hence, they would be adding more points to Sensex in their rally. Following is the top gainers in Sensex from September 2021 when it touched 60,000 mark. Number 1, NTPC, percentage of change 131. 2, Tata Motors 127%. 3, M&M 112%. 4, LNT 91%. 5, ITC 90%. Now, top losers in Sensex from September 2021. Number 1, Wipro minus 38%. 2, Tech Mahindra minus 19%. 3, Infosys minus 16%. 4, Kotak Mahindra Bank minus 9%. 5, HUL minus 9%. The Sensex index containing 30 stocks with the highest free float cap has given good returns in the long term. 3 years 14.9% CAGR, 5 years 14.4%, 10 years 12.8%, 20 years 13.8%, 25 years 13.4%. I want to announce something very interesting for all new visitors to our YouTube. This is a free webinar on Secrets of Stock Market, 17th December Sunday from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Refer to the message in the scroll below and send an email accordingly with your details to register. And what we are going to teach, how profitable stock markets are in the long term and short term, basic fundamental analysis, basic technical analysis. Now, continuing with the matter, so Sensex, which contains only large cap and generally is less volatile compared to mid cap and small caps, has given around 14 to 15% per annum returns in the long term. This is excluding the dividend received, which could be another 1 to 1.5%. So total returns could be around 16% per annum average. Sensex contains good and weak stocks as long as the market cap is high. In spite of this, returns have been good. Similar returns are observed in Nifty 50 index in the long term. It has given around 12 to 14% per annum. If you select individual stocks, then you can expect 15 to 20% per annum average. So the question is, when such good returns are available in large caps itself with limited volatility and high certainty, is there a need to take additional risk in smaller stocks. Most investors should stick to large cap stock itself. Many investors become greedy, select mid cap, small cap stocks, select wrong stocks, finally end up losing money. Investors who venture into mid cap and small cap stocks should be mentally ready to bear the volatility and potential loss. They cannot afford to invest a significant percentage of savings in such stocks since if anything goes wrong, their financial future will be destroyed. End of the video, here is a question. Will you be satisfied with an average of around 15 to 16% per annum returns from stocks for a long period? Yes, I'll be happy, or no, I expect higher returns could be the answers. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharat Chandra Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.